vine mealybug can destroy generations of success. Fight back with the mating disruption more growers trust. Visit suterra.com/VMB.
Hello, I'm Matthew Malcolm with American Vineyard Magazine, reporting to you from Fresno State Grape Day. We had a great turnout today. We've had some interactive presentations. I'm here with Luca Brillante and Yves Laroche-Pinel that have been working on some great precision technologies, and wanted to talk specifically about grape composition.
Yes.
And assessment of that in the field. Can you tell us, we're standing right in front of this equipment that's on trial right now with Gallo here, and tell us a little bit about it, what you guys are doing.
Yes, we have a couple projects on assessing grape composition, and we work with multiple collaborators, including Gallo here in the area, Bronco as well, and UC Merced, and we're trying to develop new sensing systems that can give us the ability of mapping in the field the content of bricks of the grapes and the color of the grapes for quality check control, to assess ripening, to try to manage the canopies to achieve more bricks at the right time. And so, of course, all these pass through the development of a tool, and we cannot only rely on refractometers and traditional wet chemistry, because there is just too much work involved. And so we try to see if we can mount a sensor on a tractor, and then for now it's on a mule, that can help achieve the same kind of information and managing harvest.
And Yves, can you tell us a little more about the results and what the objectives are?
So we are just going in the field and trying to take a picture of the grape. So for that we use like a canopy lifting, so we can just have the picture of the grape, and we also need to segment the picture. So we have just a grape, so we try to remove like the background such as the leaf, and for that we use like machine learning algorithm with like ground truth. So we tell the machine like, this is like the signal of a grape, this is the signal of a leaves, and try just to keep the signal of the grape, because we just need this signal to our further analysis.
And so what are you seeing as far as the potential of this, obviously to save labor and speed up some of these processes? How's it working out, Luca?
Yes, so these are not regular cameras that we use. They are still cameras, but they see things that we cannot see by our eyes, similar to what an insect could see, with multiple eyes, so multiple way of looking at things, and in different regions of the light, and probably achieving information about quality of the object that we cannot achieve by our means. There was a very big interest from the industry in trying to speed up the assessment of grape composition, because they process hundreds of samples, sugar testers and everything. And of course, you manage a 150-acre block with 1-2 samples. How informative that is, right? And so then the winemakers may complain that what they have in the tank is not what they expected, and as well as for a wine grower, if you have the ability of assessing this in the space, you can probably think, I need to remove leaves right now, but only on this portion of the field to try to help them ripening a little more. Or maybe I give a little more water to this because it's shriveling too much. And so just trying to be optimizing the process of growing grapes. And so far it's going fairly well, especially in the collaboration perspective. We're doing a lot of work with multiple companies because there is a lot of interest, and we have worked last year on lab-based information, and right now this year we're bringing it to the field, trying to achieve the mapping goal.
Well, how exciting. We appreciate the great work that you guys are doing here at Fresno State. This is just one of many projects you guys are working on here. Read more about these things in American Vineyard Magazine. I'm Matthew Malcolm, CaliforniaAgNet.com.